Hi everyone, welcome to another learning time with Miss Blessing. In today's lesson, we're going to be multiplying by 1 and 0 using representations. In my last video, we learned how to multiply by 1 and 0. In today's lesson, we're going to be using different representations to multiply by 1 and 0. Come along, let's learn together. Okay, before we proceed, I would like you to have a go at these questions. These were part of the things we learned in my last video. 5 multiply 1 is, 5 multiply 0 is equals to, 6 multiply 1 is equals to, and 6 multiply 0 is equals to. Pause the video here and have a go. Welcome back. Now let's see if your answers are correct. So 5 multiply 1 is what? 5, because there is just one group of 5. So our answer is 5. And like I explained in my previous video, a number multiplied by 1 is always the same number. Now 5 multiply 0 is 0 because there is nothing to multiply. When you multiply a number by 0, the answer is 0. Now 6 multiply 1 is 6. And then finally 6 multiply 0 is 0. I hope you got all the answers correctly. Okay, let's move. Now over here we have three different representations. The first one is the bar model, the second one is the part-whole model, and the last one is the multiplication sentence representing one group of 10 and 10 groups of 1. Now in the bar model, we have 10 groups of 1, making 1 times 10 or 10 times 1. Over here we have 1 times 10 in our representation. But in the part-whole model, we have 1 plus 10. Part-whole model shows us addition, not multiplication. So your guess is as good as mine. The odd one out is the part-whole model because it shows us an addition rather than a multiplication. Let's look at another representation. Over here, we are instructed, it says when the two numbers in the outer segment of the circle are multiplied, they make the number on the inside segment of the circle. So these are the outer segments, 1, 2, and these are the inside segments. Now I want you to have a go. What two numbers can we multiply to make 0 using these numbers we've been given here? What number do we multiply by 1 to give us an answer in the inner segment? And what two numbers do we multiply to make 4? Pause the video and have a go. Okay, welcome back everyone. Now it could be any number. Any number multiplied by 0 would give you 0. So we have 0 and 6. Now for the next one, 1 multiply 4. 1 multiply 4 gives us 4. And then finally, 1 multiplying 3 gives us 3. I hope this is clear. And then finally, we have another representation. We are asked to use these digit cards to complete the diagram. Each row and column must multiply together to make 0. For every solution, each digit card may only be used once. Find two possible solutions. So this is a row, this is a row. This is a column, this is a column. So what number do we multiply by 0 to make 0? We could use 3, we could use 6, because 6 multiplied by 0 is 0, 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. Now what number do we multiply by 0 here to give us an answer here? It could still be 3, it could still be 6. If I use 6 here, then definitely I'm going to use 3 here because the digit card can only be used once. So 3 times 0 will give us 0. Okay, let's see the two possible answers. Here we go. So 6 multiplied by 0 is 0. 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. 6 multiplied by 0 is 0. I hope this is clear, everyone. So you're going to have different representations and you have to choose which one to do. When you are done, please let me know how you felt about today's lesson and I will see you in our next video. Bye, everyone.